Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video walkthrough of a Mercedes-Benz V220d Sport long wheelbase we have new in stock. This is a ULEZ compliant Euro 6 diesel vehicle and is also VAT qualifying. To start with some of the features, this van includes, you've got the 18-inch Sport model alloy wheels. You've got the AMG exterior trim features with the chrome grille on the front, the chrome lower bumper attachments, the chrome trim on the rear of the car. You've got privacy glass, the roof rails along the top, the LED intelligent light system, you've got LED tail lights, you've got a full leather interior. This V220 seats 8 people. You've got 2 seats in the front, 3 in a row behind, and then another 3 at the back. You can flip the seats in the rear around to have them facing each other if you wish. You've also got the panoramic sunroof overhead as part of the long wheelbase inclusions. You've got your leather-wrapped multi-function steering wheel with access to cruise control. You've got heated seats for the driver and the passenger, your electric window functions, folding mirrors. You've got lumbar support on the side of the driver and the passenger seat. On the centre console, you've got your Comand online system with some of your infotainment controls, access to both your rear electric doors. You've also got access to your dynamic driving modes from here. You've got your climate control functions further up the centre console. Also on your centre screen, you can see access to some of your features such as DAB radio. You've also got access to your ambient lighting controls and your reversing camera and park assist from here. If you'd like any more information on this V220 Sport long wheelbase, please contact one of our sales team through the number provided at the end or inquire for our website.